When it comes to your heat and Glo gas fireplace, keeping it in top shape is essential for both safety and comfort. Regular maintenance is key. Start by checking the pilot light. If it's out, follow the manufacturer's instructions to relight it safely. Inspect the glass for any cracks or buildup. Clean it gently with a non-abrasive cleaner to maintain that cozy glow. Listen for unusual noises. They could indicate a problem with the blower or gas line. If you notice any gas odors, turn off the unit immediately and call a professional. At Basic Energy, we specialize in heat and Glo fireplace repairs right here in Long Island. Our team is ready to help you with everything from routine maintenance to emergency repairs. Don't wait until it's too late. Call us at 516-294-9044 or visit www.heatgloservice.com. Visit our store at 500 Jericho Turnpike No. 4 Mineola, New York, 11501. Your fireplace deserves the best care.